In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sci-fi noises with your mouth in Kinemaster, and it's going to be very embarrassing for me, but I'm doing it to help you make cool stuff. So you better make some cool stuff. Alright, now that we got that over with, let me show you how to do these sound effects. The idea is to make some kind of mechanical, electrical, or static noise with your mouth and record that in Kinemaster. I'll tap voice and then press start. Zzz. Initially, this won't sound very interesting. The trick is to add an audio filter. My favorite is Robot. As you can see, by experimenting with different sounds and different audio filters, you can create all kinds of different effects. If you want to know where I got all the stock footage for this video, you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this tutorial, you can find plenty more where that came from in my Kinemaster playlist. And don't forget to subscribe.